Namaste everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Today we're tackling a super common issue that can silently mess up your emails. Let me give you a simple example. Ever had someone send you something important, like a job offer or a document, but they sent it to your old email ID? You keep checking your inbox, nothing shows up, and then days later, you realize they mailed it to that Gmail account you haven't touched in years. Frustrating, right? That's exactly what happens when your website's MX records are outdated or misconfigured. Your domain might look fine from the outside, but any email sent to it can vanish into thin air. But the good news? Fixing your MX records in cPanel using DNS Zone Editor is easy. India's fast-growing web hosting company that believes managing your website shouldn't feel like rocket science. At YouStable, we keep things beginner-friendly, whether you're editing DNS records, setting up emails, or launching your first website. With clean cPanel access, lightning-fast servers, and real human support, you're always in control. All right, let's jump into cPanel and fix those MX records. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Domain section and click the Zone Editor. Now, click the Manage button provided in front of the domain whose MX record you want to edit or delete. Suppose you want to edit or delete the MX record of the domain example.com. Then click this Manage button. Click the Edit button of any of the loaded records you want to edit. Now, edit the record and click the Save Record button. That's it. The MX record has been updated. To delete a record, click the Delete button and continue. Success. We have deleted the MX record. Now you know how to edit or delete MX record. Thank you for watching.